I was wondering, should I share with you this recipe or not? I mean, it's not really super Italian, traditional Italian recipe, but still, it's so delicious and it's part of my childhood, and it was also one of the most popular recipes when I started my YouTube channel that, I believe it's worth it to share with you, also in English version. And plus, it's not that my channel is just about traditional Italian recipes, right? Also because it would be a little bit boring, no? Should I? It's really delicious, trust me. So, okay, what's special about this cake? Well, actually not that much, because it's a really simple, not fancy at all, lemon cake. But it's exactly this that makes it special. It's super lemony, super soft and super easy to make. And it's perfect to serve it, not just for adults, but also for kids. And that's exactly how I discovered and fall in love with this cake, because my mama prepared it almost at every birthday parties I had when I was a kid, for me and for my friends. Let's get started. First of all, let's combine together the whole eggs and the sugar. Meanwhile, my KitchenAid is mixing. I'm getting ready with the lemon. I grate first of all the zest and I juice them. Here I have all-purpose flour and baking powder. I'm gonna add a little bit of these dry ingredients to the mixture of eggs and sugar, alternating with milk and vegetable oil. In this case, sunflower seed oil. Final ingredients, the lemon zest. We are gonna use the lemon juice at the very end, once the cake has been baked. Alright, here I have a 28 centimeters diameter baking tin, previously buttered and floured. I pour simply the mixture inside the baking tin. My oven is ready at 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit, conventional mode. And let's bake our cake for 35–40 minutes. Meanwhile, I simply add 2 teaspoons of sugar to my lemon juice. Our cake got a nice golden color on the surface. Perfect! Let's take it out from the oven, and when it's still warm, with a toothpick, let's create some holes all over the surface. And I'm gonna soak all the surface with the lemon juice, using simply a spoon, but of course you can use also a kitchen brush. In this way, the cake is not getting only softer, but also more lemony. Time to let the cake cool down for a few minutes. And it's time to serve this lemon cake with a simple decoration, if you're fancy, but there's no need of that. Enjoy it for breakfast, for a nice homemade snack at the office or at university, or even for your kids at school. Perfect, again, for a birthday party. And I hope you enjoyed this simple and sweet recipe. See you next week and buon appetito!